Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 3, which is Dark They Were and Golden Eyed. Now let's move on to the first exercise of this story, which is MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, the man felt his hair flutter and the tissues of his body draw tight as if he were sick, happy, feeling sad, standing at the center of the vacuum. So this is the correct answer. Second statement is, at any moment the Martian air might bring relief, draw his soul from him, kill him, become pleasant. So the correct answer is, draw his soul from him. The third statement is, what did they see on the Martian hills? Old cities, flower beds, stream of fresh water, deep valley. So the correct answer is the old cities. The fourth statement is, what did they do after building a cottage? They decorated it, furnished it, ate good breakfast, arranged a feast. So the correct answer is C. यानी कि घर बनाने के बाद उन्होंने अच्छा खाना खाया. The fifth statement is, what was the news Laura told to her parents? The war on the earth, the death of the people, the arrival of a rocket, the fall of a rocket. So the correct answer is the war. Sixth statement is, which one of the cities was attacked? Texas, Virginia, New York, New Jersey. So the correct answer is New York. Next is, what did they feel on Mars after the attack on the earth? Drenched, stranded, secluded, surrendered. तो इसका सही जवाब है stranded. यानी कि जब उन्हें इसकी खबर मिली तो उनके अंदर एक अफरा तफरी और इंतशार पैदा हो गया था. The eighth statement is, what were the men doing in town on the shadowy step of the grocery store? They were quarreling, conversing with great leisure and ease, playing, buying the grocery. So the correct answer is conversing with great leisure and ease. Next statement is, how many dollars did he demand to sell the metal? 200, 300, 400 or 500. So the correct answer is 500. Last statement is, in which season did Mr. Bittering stand or very golden-eyed? Winter, summer, autumn, spring. So the correct answer is autumn. So we are done with the MCQs of this exercise. Now let's move on to the next question where we are going to discuss true-false. So the first statement, which is, the rocket metal burned in the meadow winds. False. The second statement is, he felt submerged in a chemical that could enhance his intellect. False. The third statement is, he felt like a salt crystal in a mountain stream. True. Then we have our fourth statement, which is, all the space rockets flew up. False. The fifth statement is, he was drenched in the hotness of his fear. True. Harry suggested to build a rocket. True. Men helped Harry in building a rocket. False. Eighth statement is, the daughter wove tapestries. True. The ninth statement is, Harry seemed almost as young as his eldest son. True. The last statement is, 6 years later, a rocket fell out of the sky. False. क्योंकि 6 साल नहीं थे बल्कि 5 साल थे. So we are done with the objective portion of this exercise. Thank you.